What I learned today: you could freeze yourself after death, and maybe come back to life one day. The moment someone is pronounced dead, they're packed in crushed ice to halt decay immediately. Next, all the blood is drained and replaced with a cryoprotectant solution. Think of it like medical antifreeze. This special fluid prevents ice crystals from shredding cell walls. Once perfused, the body is cooled in stages down to -196 degrees Celsius, and stored in a chamber filled with liquid nitrogen. At this temperature, metabolic processes and decay stop almost entirely. Some choose only neuropreservation, just their head. The idea? Future tech could upload their brain's data into a fresh body or virtual environment. All this preservation is for one goal: revival. Cryonics advocates believe that as medicine advances, think nanobots or molecular repair, dead tissues could be healed and reanimated. What I learned today? Cryonics isn't sci-fi, it's real, and thousands are already signed up, hoping for a second shot at life. Would you sign up? Comment below, hit like and subscribe for more mind-bending science.